which is integrated with social sites such as LinkedIn, and be able to pull up LinkedIn profile information and apply for a job. The team works for the recruiting team at San Mateo. This is the team. Derek Kuhn, myself, and of course my son Elliot. My teammate Jayashree. Let's briefly talk about the technologies. iOS 5 iPhone Simulator. A development tool called Titanium Studio, which enables you to develop an application using JavaScript and be able to deploy it as an iPhone, iPad, Android, BlackBerry, native mobile applications. Also, you can deploy it as an HTML5 mobile web as well. We also have some new success factors REST API developed using the Java Jersey framework. Of course, we are using LinkedIn REST API to retrieve the LinkedIn profile. Google Map API to calculate coordinates of various job rec locations, and more to come. Without further ado, let's start with the demo. First, let me bring up Titanium Studio. Let me start the iPhone simulator. Let's minimize other windows so we can focus on the demo. So the whole idea is that we have two tabs, a list view and a map view. I'm going to talk more about map view later. List view is just a list of job recs. Here it shows all the title of the jobs. You can do some search like engineer, like manager, like senior. Okay, let's start with senior software engineer. You click on that, you get the details of the job, ID, location, description. And now you can apply. So first it asks whether it's okay to get your LinkedIn profile. Before doing that, let me show you my LinkedIn profile. You can see that first name Derek, last name Kuhn, title Principal Software Engineer, company Success Factors, and SAP company. Okay, let's go back to the iPhone simulator. So now let's click yes. Go and get my profile, lightning fast. You can see that the first name Derek, last name Kuhn, title Principal Software Engineer, company Success Factors, exactly from the data from my profile. So it's working perfectly. Let's go to the next step. The next step is to create a candidate profile. Okay, so just create a candidate profile with a candidate ID 733. The next step is to apply for the job. Bingo! The job was applied successfully. Now let's go back to the list and do more job application. Let's try lead software engineer as well. We apply, say yes, get the LinkedIn profile, and then the next step is candidate profile. Now because the candidate profile has already been created, while I was applying for the first job. That's why it already existed. So it just tells me that it already exists, but nonetheless, whether I want to continue to apply for the job. If I say next, bingo, got it again. Successful submission of job application. Wonderful. Here, let us take a look at the external website where we can see all the jobs being applied. So I log on as this candidate. We have applied for 2 jobs. So from our database, there should be 2 jobs on the screen. It's loading. While we're waiting, is that so this is actually pulling up data from our RCM application table. So you can see that there are 2 jobs being applied: senior software engineer and lead software engineer. Okay, let's continue to apply one more job. Let's apply for principal software engineer as well. Now, I'm actually working off-site, so it might be a little bit of delay. As you see, some of the interactions is not instantly. Okay, good. So I have successfully applied for the 3rd job. Let's refresh the screen, and this time we should be able to see 3 jobs on the screen. Waiting, loading. Yes, you can see principal software engineer just updated. Okay, let's go to the second part of the demo. Now that we have seen the list view, let's take a look at map view. It takes all the 6 job racks with the different locations, called Google Geolocation API, and for each of the location, calculate the coordinates and return the coordinates, and then I display on the Google map. Let's continue to apply for a job. Let's see. Oh, this is an architect job. Click. The same detail screen show up. Apply. Yes. See next. Yay. We got it. We got that. Apply. And try 2 more. This one is project manager. Click. Details. Apply. Wow, so easy. Let's do one more. Engineering manager. Apply. Yes. We got data from LinkedIn. Look at candidate profile. And finally, apply for the job. Done. Okay. I think we have applied for all the jobs. Let's look at the database and confirm that this is all working. So previously, in the list view, I had applied for 3 jobs. In the map view, I have just applied for another 3 jobs. Let's refresh the screen and confirm now that we should have 6 jobs all together. Waiting. Again, as I said, I'm off-site, so it's a little bit of delay to getting data from database. Bingo! We got all 6 jobs in our database. That's wonderful. And that is the end of the demo. Let's show you the architecture. We are almost done. As you can see, that iPhone, first of all, is using SuccessFactors REST API to retrieve the job rack. Second step is to call Google Map geolocation API to calculate coordinates of the location of the job rack and display it on Google Map. Thirdly, it goes to LinkedIn and retrieve my user profile. Fourthly, it creates a candidate profile within SuccessFactors database. Finally, it applies for a job using the data originated from LinkedIn. At the end, it would insert the job application in the RCM application table. Finally, I just want to say that the mobile platform today is a hotbed for integration and innovation. In terms of integration, not only can we have integration to SuccessFactors, Google Map, LinkedIn, but we can also integrate with Facebook, Twitter, Foursquare, and the other social sites using REST API. Second, Google Map geolocation API is a window of opportunity to create new innovative features and applications. Finally, I want to say thank you again for your time, your patience, and consideration. If you like and enjoyed this demo, please consider voting for us. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.